Welcome to My Life and Coasters, where today I'm here at Chessington World of Adventures and there's a lot going on. I've just walked a little bit up from the entrance to one of the sort of old car parks near the Go Ape, and there's all this track that you can get really close to and see through the fence. This is going to be for the Paw Patrol area. There's also a Minecraft area, so two really big projects, two new coasters coming in the next 2 years to Chessington. This one is the Paw Patrol one, which opens next year, which I'll take a look at the actual construction when I'm in the park. But yeah, to look at the track, this is really cool. Just going to be quite a tame family coaster, as you can probably see. But still, it's a really nice track colour. I really like the red. There's also some more ride hardware right there for another Paw Patrol sort of helicopter ride. Moving on from that, this is for the Minecraft area, so I'm sort of jumping between projects. That's Cobra's track there. That used to be at the park. That's going to get rethemed and put back into the park. That's just more bits of Cobra there. But yeah, it's quite a lot of track. I'm going to say this is probably the whole track for it, other than like the lift hill and stuff. I think some track's already gone in, and I think the ride might have gone vertical now, so we'll take a look at that very shortly. But there's some turns. The banking's not too much at all. Like if I go over here, it's quite muddy up here, but you can probably see there. But yeah, this will be opening probably, hopefully in like 6-7 months time. These coasters won't take long to put up at all. It'll probably go up in the space of a few weeks. But yeah, I thought I'd start by coming up here because Halloween is on today, which means by the time I leave the park it'll be dark, so I thought I'd come do this first. Anyway, let's get inside the park now and I'll show you some of the other construction projects. Yeah, so this used to be the Wild Asia area. Last time I was here you could still see like the entrance to the area and everything, but now it's completely like blocked off. I can't even see much of it. I'll have a look here. Used to be a big Zamperla disco here, and now there's absolutely nothing. It's actually a really weird sight. If you're used to seeing Cobra, yeah, it was like a Zamperla mega disco, so it's a really big one. But yeah, it's all gone now. This will become the Minecraft area, but there's not really much updates to see from that, so it'll mainly be the Paw Patrol one in this video. There you go, you can get a much better view. There used to be a big restaurant there, and like I think it was a shop. There used to be dodgems over there. Used to have Monkey Swinger. Yeah, to think I was riding all those rides in November. Back here now, and it's all been pulled out. It's a shame really, because it was a nice area. It wasn't like it was looking too tired in places. I think they'd even done like bits of new theming and stuff. Yeah, round to the Paw Patrol area. I should be able to get some shots, even though there's a very big fence. See if any of that track has gone in, but it's made the Mexicana area feel very different now, because the only ride here is Rattlesnake, and there's not really any other theming. This is almost the best look I'm going to get at the Paw Patrol area. I'm stood on like a planter. There is some rock work theming just over there. Yeah, I'm sort of stood on the fence, but you can see all the lovely rock work and the station, and they've got like this curved out, well, sort of in the ground area for the coaster, I'm assuming. There's a big theming piece just there, which I think will be like the big tower. There's a few bits of track there. There's quite a lot to see. Foundations for a new flat ride there as well, that I've got to hop down off this fence because there's literally just a little ledge if you do want to have a look at the construction. And yeah, that is all the construction to see for the time being. Couldn't get a really good view on the Minecraft area, but the Paw Patrol area got some good views of that, and seeing the track on the car park was really cool as well. There'll be more updates as soon as, probably at Christmas or the start of the season next year. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you then.